Hey everyone, Dusty here, another video tutorial for you today, showing you how to cancel your Disney Plus subscription. So whatever the reason may be, Mandalorian is over, or a show that you want to watch is, you've already watched it and you want to cancel your subscription, all you need to do is go to disneyplus.com on the desktop. I'll show you how to do it on mobile at the end of the video. Go ahead and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you're going to be able to see all of the different bits of content that you can watch here on Disney Plus. Go up to your profile image, whatever it may be. Mine just happens to be Elsa, thanks to my daughter. And then go down to where you see account. Once you hover over your profile image, you'll see something that says account. Underneath subscription, you'll see what type of sub you have, whether it's monthly or yearly. Go to billing details, and then here you're going to see the option to cancel your subscription. You're going to see the way that you're paying for your sub. Click on cancel subscription. They're going to try to convince you not to do so, and then just click the big red button that says complete cancellation. Now, when you complete the cancellation, you will be able to go ahead and watch content until your current month is over. So once you complete the cancellation, you'll be able to watch until that date that it says your current sub will lapse after you cancel. Now, let's hop on over to the mobile device. It's basically the same, but I know I'm going to have questions in the comments on how to do it on a mobile device. So let's hop on over to the mobile device. All right, we are on the Disney Plus app on my iPhone. You're going to see your profile image there again in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. Just tap your profile image. You're going to see something again that says account. Go ahead and tap on the account options there. And then as you can see, you're going to see your billing details again. Click on billing details there. It's going to open up the website. You may have to log in once more, and then go again to billing details once you're on the web page, and then you're going to see the option to cancel your subscription. You're going to see the same red complete cancellation button come available to you. Just complete the cancellation and you are good to go. Any questions, any further from this video, please put those in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I really would appreciate it. I will talk to you guys in the next video.